Welcome to Writers ER, where we make the journey through dissertations, theses, and research feel a bit less overwhelming and a lot more doable. Today's video is all about turning your hard work into something that doesn't just sit on a shelf, but actually makes a difference out there in the real world. It's called From Ivory Tower to Action, your dissertation as a policy blueprint. Picture this, your dissertation isn't just a big paper you have to write to get your degree. It's your chance to spark change, to influence how decisions are made, and to improve people's lives. That's a big deal, right? So let's dive into how you can make your research jump off the page and into the action. First up, you need to pick a problem that your research is going to tackle. There are tons of issues out there waiting for someone like you to come along and find solutions. Your job is to connect the dots between what you're passionate about studying and the bigger picture of what society needs. When you're digging through all those articles and books for your literature review, you're not just doing it to fill pages. You're on the lookout for what's missing, the gap that your research is going to fill. This step is super important because it lays the foundation for everything that comes next. Choosing the right way to do your research is key. Whether you're talking to people, sending out surveys, or doing experiments, think about how you can gather evidence that will convince others to listen up. The goal is to come up with findings that are clear and strong enough to catch the attention of those who can make changes happen. And hey, if you found this helpful, hit like, share, and subscribe to Writers ER. We're all about making your academic journey smoother and more enjoyable. Now let's talk about turning those complex ideas and numbers into recommendations that people can actually understand and want to act on. This is where you get to be creative and clear. Use examples and stories to bring your points to life. Remember, you're trying to reach folks who might not speak academic, so keep it simple and straight to the point. The big moment is when you lay out your policy proposals, your blueprint for action based on all your hard work. This is your chance to be bold, to show how your research can lead to real improvements. Explain how your ideas can be put into action, what the benefits could be, and the hurdles you might face. But it doesn't stop with writing. To make an impact, you need to get out there and talk to people who can help make your proposals a reality. This means sharing your findings, connecting with groups and leaders, and being ready to back up your ideas with passion and facts. And remember, your dissertation is just the beginning of your journey. It's a launch pad for you to become a leader, an advocate, and a voice that makes a difference. To wrap up, turning your dissertation into a policy blueprint is all about seeing beyond the academic requirements. It's about tackling real issues, communicating clearly, and stepping up to make a difference. With some planning, a bit of creativity, and a lot of dedication, your research can truly change the world. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment below. How do you hope your research will make a difference? And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Writers ER. By hitting that subscribe button and sharing this video, you're not just supporting us, you're joining a community committed to making research meaningful. So let's do this together. Thanks for watching. Keep exploring, keep questioning, and never stop believing in the power of your research to create change.